I came across the boot camp probably about 4 or 5 years ago. I had been pursuing various tacks throughout my career as to how to pass these tests, and it's been a long time for me. I'm 27 years at the firm I'm at right now, and there were a lot of pauses along the way, and this really gave me a glimmer of hope as to how to pursue actually getting licensed. It's a diverse group of people, and it's a wide-ranging background for everybody involved. To me, it shows that there are a lot of people struggling with the same things that we are individually, and when we come together as a group, we're just stronger for it. So for me, that was very helpful. It made this monumental thing that seemed insurmountable doable. So now that boot camp is over, what's nice about the program is that we still have access to a lot of the resources that were available during boot camp. I found it valuable enough to take advantage of the seat credit that's offered after you have completed your first boot camp. So that means that I have a reservation, if you will, for the next boot camp, which would focus on the technical portion of the ARE. And so being able to go back to those syllabi and look at all the different structured resources that are available is a tremendous help.